Rolling?
Yep.
This week I'm going to tell you a story how furniture painting changed my life and how I met the best storyteller on YouTube. I'm going to use 3 colors for this project. I'm going to use blue, green and white. I'm going to do blue at the bottom, then green and white on top, and I'm gonna blend all that together. I'm going for the boho style. The idea for these pieces, it's inspired by Debi. I think Debi does amazing boho style and I see her as that. She has this beautiful paint collection and everything is so vibrant and colorful.
Don't let the street lights lead you all alone.
Do-it-yourself paint is very pigmented. You can water it down as much as you want. Debi even told me that you can go 10:1. It's very pigmented, strong colors. That's what makes this paint special.
I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do.
Also, I am going out of my comfort zone. Even though I love bold colors and I love strong colors, I haven't put blue and green together yet. So that is going to be interesting to see how that feels. This piece, I think it's going to be like Bohemian, inspired by Debi with a touch of Kacha. And touch of Kacha is going to be gold. I'm going to add so much gold.
Don't let the street lights lead you all alone.
So this is the first coat. It's dry completely and now I'm going to add another coat. So another coat of white, another coat of green, another coat of blue. As soon as I put the colors on, just go right into blending.
Wherever you go, whatever you do. If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far.
I'm going for a boho look. I'm going to distress this piece, so as long as the two colors are blended together, like a little bit, I'm fine with it.
So far, if a paper crane can fly. Fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on.
Story begins. In one of my videos, I say, "Welcome to Maine," and it's snowing in that video. And not long after that, I get a message on my Facebook page. And there is a lady, her name is Sue, and we figure out that we live 20 minutes from each other. And she asked me, hey, did you ever use do-it-yourself paint? Of course I know do-it-yourself paint, and I say do-it-yourself because I can't say DIY because I always make a mistake. So I just...
DIY!
What did I say? She tells me, I would love to meet up with you and I would love to give you some of the paint. So we do. A couple days later, I meet her, she's painting the piece and she's using Debi's paint and her work is gorgeous and I'm like, wow, that looks amazing. Now I'm even more excited to try this paint. So this wonderful lady, Sue, sent an email to Debi and tells her about me. How wonderful that was from her, right? She tells her that she loves my channel and she watches my video and she should check me out. And then she reaches out to me that day. She sent me a message on my Facebook. And I'm like, Debi? Debi herself? I got a message from Debi? Oh my God, I can't believe. And she tells me how she likes my work and how Sue told her about me. And she loves my channel and she wants to get in touch with me. And I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe what's happening right now here. Like, really? Is this reality? Like, I never dreamed in 1,000 years that I will be here. I'm working with Christina Muscari. I'm a friend with Christina Muscari. That girl is like, I was watching her when I was starting and I was like, I can't believe, like, I'm friends with her. I have her number, we FaceTime and we love to talk so much. And then I'm over there on Instagram sending messages to Annie Sloan herself and she's messaging me back and I'm like, wow, what's happening? And now Debi herself wants to talk with me and I am just like, I don't know what's happening here. Like, is this real? Is this reality? So I'm sending this piece, I'm using a sandpaper 80, it's pretty rough. I'm sending wherever I want, like pretty much I'm passing everywhere. I'm gonna send the sides and the top actually needs 3 coats of white because it's white and it's going to be a solid color. So I'm gonna put another coat on the top and I'm going to start applying clear wax.
Rivers run dry, dust spreads in the air. 2 dark days, do you have a tear?
I see this piece like a treasure at the bottom of the sea and it's been there and so it's like a little distressed and it's not perfect but it's cold, it's so valuable.
Heavy just breathing through this debate.
I imagine it being in Caribbean, somewhere out there, you know, I want to go there. I'm pulling it out of the ocean and it's like, oh my god, it looks so good. So that's the idea for this piece.
Fake or even hate. Don't be scared if the weight paralyzes your state at the gate. No, it's a lot to take in, it's designed to know when, don't wait. Don't be scared when the weight paralyzes your state at the gate.
I'm going to apply clear wax and then right after that I'm going to apply black wax.
Rigid lions dressed in suits, we don't get there. Fancy shoes and a ton of taboos at best. But the contracts are out of time. You're a powered battery, don't get in line.
The reason I'm going to put black wax is because I want to tie everything together.
When they love you, you must know it's fake, or even hate. Don't be scared if the weight paralyzes your state at the gate.
This piece is from the bottom of the ocean and it's supposed to look like that. So black wax is going to tie all this together.
Don't be scared when the weight paralyzes your state at the gate.
The point of the story is that this is the point of the story. I met Debi, right? That's a big deal for me. I met Debi, I'm direct messaging with Annie Sloan, I'm collaborating with Christina Muscari, and just 10 years ago, my life was much different. And now I'm right here, growing my business and meeting all these cool, important people. That's the point of the story. And I'm not good as Debi at storytelling, but this is my story. So I hope you like it. Now I'm going to do Kacha, and what is that is applying a lot of gold gilding wax.
Drift off like feathers in the wind.
I know I've been using warm gold lately, but this piece calls for bright, shiny, look at me, gold, and that's this one. You don't have to say a thing, my dear. Pretend that I'm not here. All I seek is some honesty, a stray of light in my darkest fears. I know you know, I know you don't care about my... This wax is made in Spain, I'm pretty sure, and it's oil-based. It's probably one or the only one on the market that I know of that is oil-based. So it's different than any other like water-based waxes. This one is like really created for artists to put on their art on canvas. But I discovered it and I'm like, hey, great. I'm an artist too. This is my canvas.
I give you space enough to waste every bit of ice. I can hear your thoughts loud and clear. You don't have to say a thing, my dear.
I'm blending, I'm distressing, I'm putting black wax, I'm putting gold gilding wax, I'm just like playing with everything. You don't know where things starting, where they're ending, so it's just like I'm just having so much fun. This is the part where I just love my job. I love what I do. When I have a freedom, I can do whatever I want. I can just play with it. I'm going to put a third coat on the top to make everything white, and then I'm going to repeat the process on the outside. I'm going to sand, put clear wax, black wax, gold wax, and pretty much that's it.
I know you know, I know you don't care about my life, don't care about my life. Look at me, I have thick skin. You don't care about my life, don't care about my life. Look at me, I have thick skin. My love, oh my love, oh my
So that was it for this week. I use do-it-yourself paint for the first time, and I created this beautiful desk. This video was inspired by Debi, and if you don't know who she is, even though I doubt that, her YouTube channel is Debi Desire. Her YouTube channel is Debi Design Diary. I will link in my description. You can go and you can follow her, and you will see it's filmed like this, and she tells amazing stories. So go check it for yourself, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave me a comment below give me a thumbs up and subscribe and come to my podcast. We'll have Debi as a guest. Monday podcast with Kacha, the Kacha podcast, and Debi. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Bye. I'm gonna take that horse to the old town world. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Na 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 na.
Someone sign her.
Na, na, na.